Hey guys, we're gonna do a quick walk around here, just kind of going over the paint quality, the wheels, interior, trunk, and overall condition of this GT350. Kind of go around, get a good idea. Paint's in excellent condition. There's no chips or cracks or scratches anywhere. Chrome's in great condition as well, as you can see the front here and the bumper. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside here. All the windows roll up and down quite well. And that's also on the passenger side. Seats here, fold this guy back. Seats are in great condition in the back as well. Go ahead and grab the keys and show you the trunk. All right, going into the trunk, you can see you got full-size spare. All right, literature, and we posted all the stampings back here in the gallery. And then we posted photos underneath the mat as well. Let's go ahead and grab the keys. Everything's super tight. All the fitment's really right on this GT350. Doors closed perfectly. No issues, no excessive force needed. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment down below or use the contact seller button. We'd be also happy to assist with any shipping if you use the contact seller button. And lastly but not least, if you're interested in 911R representing a vehicle for you, use the contact seller button and we can have a conversation.